Dear students, in the last class we have finished 7.3 exercise. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we will understand concepts for 7.4 exercise and we will enter in 7.4 exercise. Okay. See, 7.4 concepts are standard integral. That means formulae. Whatever you may think or what we can say, you can take. Okay. See, some formulae are there, 6 formulae. These are some similarities and differences are there. If you observe carefully, by comparatively, you can remember this. Okay, you have to by heart this. You have to by heart. Or else every time you did not, what we can say, derive all this. I am going to give a proof for all these 6 in this class. Next class we will start 7.4 exercise. Okay, let us first understand what are these. See, these are formulae for integrals, we know. Integral symbol is there, integral. Dx always will be in numerator, that also we know. And the remaining all entities are in denominator. If you observe carefully, x square minus a square, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by a square plus x square, square root. Okay. Same, x square minus a square, x square minus a square. But here no square root, here square root is there. But both are denominator. Both have different results. A square minus x square, a square minus x square, but square root is not there, square root is there, different result. A square plus x square, a square plus x square, but square root is there, square root is not there, different result. Okay, this is one logic. Another logic, you see 6 combinations only you can make. Why? Because a square, x square, x square, a square. If r plus, then only one combination, both are same, a square plus a square, x square plus a square. Okay, and with root. These 2 combinations, x square minus a square, x square minus a square, with root, without root, that is one other combination. A square minus x square, a square minus x square, with root, another combination. Okay. See here, if you observe carefully, first 3 are without root. Here 1, 2, 2a has come. Okay. Remaining 3 are with roots, square roots, denominator. No 2a has come, you see, observe carefully. That you have to understand carefully. Okay, another thing. You see, if x square is having positive symbol, then x minus a will go to the numerator. X square has got negative symbol, negative power, or what we can say, negative sign. Then a minus x will go in denominator. Positive numerator, negative denominator. Okay. So what are x minus a, x plus a plus x, x plus a minus x means? See here, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. That we have to make anyway. Okay, that is one thing. Another thing, if you observe carefully, d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square. Here we can take rather than 1 as a square or a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, come to here. D by dx of sin inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Square root of 1 minus x square. Rather than 1, we are taking a or a square. Like this, you have to analyze. That is one thing. Okay. Here, these 3 I have told. Here I want to tell. You see, square root of x square minus a square or square root of a square plus x square. Why? Because see, a square minus x square means sin inverse has come. That you cannot do remaining. Log of modulus, see why modulus means modulus you should not give negative numbers greater than 0. That is why always we should keep modulus. That we know very well. Modulus of x plus, if it is x square minus a square, root of x square minus a square, if it is a square plus x square root, a square plus x square root, x square plus x square root. Like this you have to analyze this. Okay. Okay. Now you see, first result I am going to prove. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all I am going to prove. First 2 in detailed way we will prove. Second, third onwards we will omit some steps. We will see. Then we will stop this class up to 6th. Next class we will do exercise 7.4. Okay. Let us go for first proof. See what I am doing. Okay. See what I am doing. dx by x square minus a square. See how I am converting this denominator. You see, observe carefully. LHS I am taking, LHS. Okay, LHS I am taking. You see, integral dx by x square minus a square is equal to, you see how I am writing, integral 1 by 2a a plus b to a minus b, a square minus b square, x plus a into x minus a, denominator 2a. 2a has come here. To counter it, what I am doing, you see, x plus a minus x minus a dx. Dx is already there. Dx you can see here, it is there, means numerator only. Okay. First of all, you observe carefully here what I have written. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is okay. But here 2a is there. 2a also is there. You see, plus a minus of minus a plus a, 2a. 2a going to get cancelled. X minus x, x going to get cancelled. That means it has been neutralized. Okay. Now I am splitting this, you see. 1 by 2a integral x plus a by, not x plus a, 1 by x minus a dx minus integral 1 by x plus a dx. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because minus is there. This denominator is for both. X plus a divided by x plus a into x minus a minus x minus a divided by x plus a into x minus a dx. In such case, x plus a going to get cancelled. First term 1 by x minus a will come dx. Minus second term x minus a are going to get cancelled. 1 by x plus a is going to come. Okay. This will happen like this only. But we know 1 by x integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x. Okay. You see how I am writing. That is equal to 1 by 2a. Integral I am removing. Okay. Log modulus x minus a, minus is there, okay, log modulus x plus a plus c, see, this c will come when you remove integral, that you keep in our mind. Okay. But we know one formula. You take this as m, you take this as n. Log m minus log n is equal to log of m divided by n. Okay, you see what I am writing. 1 by 2a log of m divided by n plus c. That's all. You understand now? Is this the same? You see 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. Is it okay now? Okay. Log m minus log n. Log m divided by n. This is the result of first standard. Okay. Pass and note down. We will go for second one. Okay. Okay. See second integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to, see now minus is there, 1 by 2a log modulus, if minus is there means a minus x will come in denominator, that means a plus x by a minus x plus c. This we have to prove. Okay. Let us see how to write and done. Okay, what I am writing, you see LHS I am taking integral dx by a square minus x square is equal to, same like earlier, 1 by 2a integral, see now a square minus x square means a plus x into a minus x. Okay. You see first you write a plus x, okay, then you write plus a minus x dx. See, 2a has to come, a plus a, 2a has come, x minus x cancelled. Okay, now it has been neutralized. Okay, you see Now you can write directly 1 by 2a integral I'm putting bracket. Okay, 1 by 2a bracket integral. You see, first one a plus x is going to get here 1 by a minus x. 1 by a minus x or dx plus a minus x going to get cancelled. Dx by a plus x. Integral dx by a plus x. Okay. Now let us perform integration. Log x. Okay, but carefully you observe here. This is okay, log of a plus x, but this is not log of a plus x. Why? Because you see, at x minus is there. Minus log a minus x. That you have to write. Okay, let us see. That is equal to 1 by 2a minus log a minus x. Why? Because x has got a minus symbol, that is why minus has to come. Plus x is plus log a plus x plus c. Okay, you see, when you remove integral symbol, then c has to come. C has come. Okay. Now also again you see, this is plus log, this is minus log. Log m minus log n. That means log of a plus x by a minus x. Okay, write down. See what I am writing. That is equal to 1 by 2a, okay, log of, okay, a plus x by a minus x, modulus close, plus c, that's all. Is this the result we want? Okay, this is second result. Take this and we will go for third result. Okay, let us see third result. Third result or third standard, integral dx by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This we have to prove. Okay. Okay, we know very well t by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 is a square. Like that we have to take. Okay. Let us see how to write and all. Now you see some substitution we will take. Okay. What is the substitution? See what I am writing. Let x is equal to a tan theta. A tan theta. Why? Because tan I am seeing tan inverse I am seeing. That is why I am taking x is equal to a tan theta. Okay. You may ask why you have taken tan theta only. Why can't you sin theta or cos theta? But it is appearing like tan theta. That is why I have taken tan inverse. That is why I have taken tan theta. Okay. You see, if it is like this, then theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Is it okay? Tan theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Okay? Is it okay? Okay. And now you see, if this is x, then you differentiate both sides with theta. Dx by d theta, theta. Okay? You see what I am writing? Dx by d theta is equal to a is coefficient, d by d theta tan theta secant square theta. Secant square theta. Okay. Now this d theta I am sending this side and I am removing here. Is it okay? Dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Okay. That is also okay. Now you come back. You take once again LHS. LHS is equal to integral dx by a square plus x square, that is equal to, okay, you see, integral, in place of dx I am writing a secant square theta d theta divided by a square is okay, a square only, plus x square means again I am taking a square tan square theta, a square tan square theta, that is equal to, okay. Now you take a square as common in denominator, a secant square theta d theta by a square, if I take common 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Now you see a square. 1 by a will be there. I am taking out 1 by a. That is equal to 1 by a integral 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta. That means secant square theta d theta by secant square theta. Okay. Then what will come? That is equal to 1 by a integral d theta. Secant square got cancelled. See, integral dx means integral 1 dx x. Integral d theta 1 d theta theta. That is equal to 1 by a theta plus c. Okay. Whenever you remove integral, then c has to come. Okay. What is theta? Theta we are having here tan inverse here. That means 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Is it okay? Okay? This is third result. You take this, we will go for fourth result. Okay? Okay. See, the fourth result also we will see integral dx by see fourth, fifth, sixth all with square root will come. Square root of a square minus x square. That is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Why? Because it is looking like 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. A I am taking as 1. Then sin inverse x by a will come. Okay. See how I am making this. See, because it is looking like sin inverse x, I am taking a is equal to x is equal to a sin theta. You see, let x is equal to a sin theta I have taken. Then you see dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Okay? Okay. And also theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. X by a sin inverse x by a theta. Okay? And we will see what else required and all we will see afterwards. But first you transfer this. Okay? You see LHS is equal to integral dx by a square minus x square under root is equal to integral. See, dx means what I am writing? A cos theta d theta divided by square root of a square, okay, minus x square. X square means a square sin square theta. A square sin square theta. That is equal to integral a cos theta d theta divided by, you see here also a square I have taken common and I have taken out also. Out if you take a square, it is going to become a. A square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see a got cancelled. That is equal to integral cos theta d theta divided by, you see 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Cos theta. That is equal to integral d theta. Why? Because cos got cancelled. That's all. Okay? Integral d theta means integral dx is x. Integral d theta means theta. That's all. That is equal to theta plus c. That's all. Theta is what? Sin inverse x by a. That means sin inverse x by a plus c. Is this the result you want? Okay? Take this, we will go for fifth result. Okay? Okay, let us go for now h square minus a square. Okay? Fifth result. Integral dx by x square minus a square at under root is equal to, you see here, now log modulus x plus x square minus a square under root plus c. This is the result. Okay? How it comes under we will see. Okay. See here, what it is looking like. See, 1 by square x into square root of x square minus 1 is secant inverse x. D by dx of secant inverse x is equal to 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. X square minus 1 is there. A is 1 like you think, but x is not there. Even though you can take x is equal to a secant theta. Okay. Here secant is appearing like. Let x is equal to a secant theta. Then secant theta is equal to x by a. Then tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 under root. Secant square theta x square by a square minus 1 under root. Okay. Now go for LHS. LHS. No. We have to see dx also, na? Yeah. Dx we have not made. Dx is equal to a secant theta tan theta d theta. Why? Because dx by d theta has come here. A d by dx of secant theta tan theta. Okay. Now you go for LHS. Write down. LHS is equal to integral dx by x square minus a square under root. That is equal to integral dx means what you are going to write? A secant theta tan theta d theta. Complete thing you have to write. A secant theta tan theta d theta divided by x square. X square means a square secant square theta. A square secant square theta minus a square, but it will be under root. Okay? Okay. And come back again. Integral a square common you have taken and out. A got cancelled, or else we will cancel afterwards. You see secant theta tan theta d theta divided by a integral square root of secant square theta minus 1. Is it okay? First you see. Okay. Why? Because a square common I have taken, secant square theta minus 1 it is going to become, but a square out I have taken. A got cancelled like you think. Integral secant theta tan theta d theta divided by secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Tan square theta under root is tan theta. Tan get cancelled. Integral secant theta d theta. Now you stop and analyze it. Analyze. What is integral secant theta d theta? What was the integral tan theta? Log cos theta log secant theta or minus log cos theta. Tan. But secant is not that. You see what I am writing. That is equal to integral secant theta d theta means log of secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Integral secant theta d theta value is this one. Log of secant theta plus tan theta. See, log of means all modulus only will come. Why? Because see, negative numbers you should not give. Greater than 0 only you have to give. Okay? Like this. Okay. Now you see, you know secant theta is x by a and tan theta is equal to this one. Then you substitute those. Log of x by a plus, see what I am writing, x square minus a square by a square. X square minus a square under root divided by, see a square is there, root, but I am taking as a. Is it okay? Okay. That is equal to. Again you can make. Why? Because see, a is common, LCM you can take. You see what I am writing, log of x plus square root of x square minus a square under root. Okay. A is common is there, na? Then what I am writing, you see, minus log modulus a plus c. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because see, when a is there, it is like LCM. A. That LCM I have taken out, that's all. Why? Because see, now here log m minus log n, log of m by n. Okay, m divided by n. Like that we can write. Now you think this is a constant log of a. There is no variable. We can mix this also in this. But what do we write that one? C1? No, you write this one is C1. Okay, now you see this is C1, this is C1, this is C1. Now what I am writing, you see, that is equal to final result log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay, if you write this C1, then c will be C1 minus log a. Like that you can understand, that's all. Okay, this is fifth result. Let us go for sixth result. Okay, let us see last result. Sixth result, integral dx by square root of x square plus a square. Okay, we have seen first a square minus x square, then we have seen x square minus a square. Now we are seeing x square plus a square. Okay, see, for this the result is log of modulus x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. This will be the result you have to get. Let us see, okay, what will happen and all. See, even though square root is there, but x square plus a square has come, 1 divided by x square plus a square has come, like you think. Then you take x is equal to a tan theta only here also. Why? Because see, normally d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. But root is not there for that. Even though here root is there, but you can take x is equal to a tan theta. Let us take and we will see. X is equal to a tan theta if I take let. Then you see tan theta is equal to x by a. Okay. Secant theta is equal to x square by a square plus 1 under root. Why? Tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1 under root. Secant theta. Secant square theta, tan square theta plus 1. Secant theta, tan square theta plus 1 under root. Okay. But you have to find dx also. Okay. Fine, let us find. Dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Okay. Let us proceed further. LHS you take. LHS integral dx by ax square plus a square under root is equal to integral dx. What you are going to write? You are going to write a secant square theta d theta, a secant square theta d theta divided by square root of x square means a square tan square theta plus a square integral a secant square theta d theta, a secant square theta d theta divided by, now a I have taken common, tan square theta plus 1, a also I have taken, a square also I have taken out, a square root of tan square theta plus 1, a got cancelled. Why? Because see, in square root a square, if you come out of square root, then a going to get cancelled. Okay. Now numerator is secant square theta d theta only. Secant square theta d theta. Denominator you see tan square theta plus 1. Secant square theta. But secant square theta under root secant theta. That you keep in your mind. Secant theta. See. Numerator secant square theta, denominator secant theta, because square root is there. One secant got cancelled and one other secant will be there. Secant theta, integral secant theta d theta. Same like earlier, log of secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Is it over? No. Why? Because the secant theta you can write this one, tan theta, you can write this one. First I will write, see anywhere plus is there, first I will write x by a, tan theta. Log x by a plus tan theta x by a I have written. Secant square theta, you see x square plus a square by under root by a plus c. How a has come? A square under root, but if you remove square root then a. Okay? See, unlike like earlier, a you mix in c. Why? Because it is a constant. Okay, write down. That is equal to log of x plus x square plus a square under root modulus plus c. What happened? Divided by a is there. Log m minus log n. That minus log n I have mixed in c. Like that you think. Okay? Now is it okay? You see log of x plus x square plus a square modulus plus c. Okay? Is it okay? See, we have finished these standards, 6 standards, and we will close this class here. Next class we will see exercise 7.4. Okay, and think one concept is there, px by px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to some derivation we have to make, and that's just 2 minutes or 3 minutes it requires, that's all. And we will start exercise in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.